Okay, today in the Victory Garden, it's March 24th, and we're going to plant some tomatoes. Now, these are definitely need to be gotten out. They've gotten pretty tall. We did a little trimming back on them, and we're going to plant them kind of deep. I'm moving this compost back because I don't want to stir a bunch of seeds to the top. I'm gonna dig this little hole down here, and I've got me a mixture of chicken litter and bone meal, uh, a little ag lime, and we just mix this in. Now, this is not new chicken litter; it's been around for a while, so we won't worry about it burning the plant. We're planting this thing kind of deep. We've taken off the lower leaves, and now this is Cherokee Purple, which is a tomato we like, and you can see now it's ready to go. It just needs a basket. Okay, we got our tomatoes planted. Let's do a little update on the Victory Garden here. Our sunflowers are doing fine, of course. Now our potatoes hadn't started bouncing back yet, but I'm sure it won't be long. They should come up. We put in a bell pepper plant right there, and we put in 6 Cherokee Purple tomatoes, and we got a jalapeno right here. Now we had to replant our yellow squash, yellow straight neck. The freeze got them. Our beans, most of them's coming up. We've got a few that's a little behind. They'll be on out. And we had to replant our cucumbers. Now I don't remember what we had planted the first time, but these are Space Master 80s that we put in here. And our early peas are doing good. They're not blooming yet. Of course, our scallions are really taking off. We've harvested pretty much all the radishes. We'll probably clean these on out. Our carrots are well on their way. I thinned them a little bit. They probably still need more. We've harvested all our turnip greens and mustard greens, so we're going to have to replant this area. We have one of our late flat Dutch cabbages left. We'll prune this up, get these leaves, bad leaves off, so we won't be encouraging bugs. Now, normally I would take these out. I'm trying to think these are probably Hilton cabbages when the bug starts hitting them. But I'm thinking I might go ahead and, well, I might take them out too. It's definitely the Mitch Healy are going to come out. The bugs got them pretty good. Of course, it's going to seed, but I don't want plants going to seed in this garden right now. So we've got an empty spot here. And I can't remember what it was we had planted here, but anyway, it's definitely gone. Our beets, our golden beets aren't looking too good after that freeze, and our collards aren't looking too good. I might just trim the leaves off a part of them, but probably this row is probably going to come on out, and probably the 2 little ones right next to where that shut-off valve is will probably come out. We're going to take this mesclun mix out. I think I'll put some lettuce back in here. And we've got our onions here. And I don't know what's been taking the tops off of my onions. Normally I would get some type of worm that would eat them, and then I'd find him inside. But normally it doesn't cut the whole tops off. So I don't know if it's maybe an animal, a dog, cat, something like that. But anyway, that's where we're sitting. I hope you enjoyed this update, and if you hit that subscribe, you can be notified when the next one's. Of course, give it a big thumbs up. enjoy that gardening experience.